Assalamualaikum, welcome to my channel Pharmapedia once again with the new video of the drug series that is paracetamol. Along with paracetamol, as you know, paracetamol is also available in different combinations. So today we are going to discuss the paracetamol and its combination. So let's begin the video. Drug profile of the paracetamol. Paracetamol was first synthesized in 1878 by Morse and introduced for medical usage in 1883. Due to the misinterpretation of its safety profile, it enjoyed only limited use until the 1950s when the chemically similar and until then preferred analgesic phenacetin was withdrawn because of the renal toxicity. Now, paracetamol is the most commonly used drug in the Pakistan and the worldwide. It lies in the OTC drugs. Its synonyms are acetaminophen, paracetamol, paracetamol, and paracetanol. Now, if we are going and watching its chemical formula, it's C8H9NO2, which you are going to discuss in the medicinal chemistry part. Now its molecular weight is 151.2 gram per mole, and here you can see the chemical structure of the paracetamol. Paracetamol inhibits the prostaglandin H2 synthesis per oxidase site, so ultimately there is no PG synthesis. And the PG that are involved in the prostaglandin synthesis and the PGs that are involved prostaglandin H2 form PGE2, I2 and thromboxane. So ultimately when there is no prostaglandin H2, by the inhibition of its enzyme prostaglandin H2 synthesis, there is no PGE2, I2 and thromboxane formation. So here you can see the role of the paracetamol in inhibition of the prostaglandin production. If we discuss its pharmacodynamics profile and its kinetic profiles, now in the absorption, oral paracetamol is absorbed mainly from the small bowel by passive transport and has high though variable bioavailability. This distribution, about 1/3 of its get protein bounded and uniformly distributed in the body. Now what are its metabolism and excretion? It is metabolized by the liver by the first pass metabolism, and its toxic component or metabolite produced by the liver is NAPQI, that is N-acetyl P-benzoquinine. This is the important point. You must write this in your notebook. Under normal conditions, NAPQI is detoxified by conjugation with glutathione to form the cysteine and mercapturic acid conjugate, which is then renally excreted. This NAPQI is liver toxic and causing the liver toxicity. In the case of the paracetamol poisoning, when there is insufficient glutathione in the case of the overdose of the paracetamol or the glutathione deficiency, NAPQI react with the cellular membrane molecule causing acute hepatic necrosis. And in the management of paracetamol poisoning, supportive measures must be taken. And if we are talking about its specific antidote in the paracetamol poisoning, then it's N-acetylcysteine, which should be given in the dose of 150 mg per kg, infused IV over 15 minutes, followed by the same dose IV over the next 20 hours. So here you can see the acetaminophen or paracetamol, which is most commonly used drug worldwide or in Pakistan. So in the case of excessive intake, single overdose or repeated overdose, 90% of the paracetamol undergoes the metabolism by the gluconide and sulfate metabolite, which are the non-toxic metabolites. In the case of its metabolism by the cytochrome 2E1, Approximately 5 to 9% of APAP undergoes the cytochrome 2E1 metabolism and form the NAPQI, which ultimately lead to the hepatocyte necrosis. And I must remind the important point here. NAPQI form in the excessive intake, single overdose or repeated overdose. Now if we discuss the dosage, in the case of the adult patients, it is available in oral, rectal and injection form. Oral dose must be repeated every 4 hours or depending upon its condition or the patient condition, until reach to the maximum 4 doses in the 24 hours. In the case of the rectal route, 50 to 1000 mg every 4 hours and maximum 4 doses in 24 hours. Injection form, 1 ampule IM 6 hourly, IV infusion over 15 minutes. Over 50 kg body weight, 1 gram every 4 to 6 hours, maximum 4 gram daily. So here you can see the summary of paracetamol, which is also known as acetaminophen, its mechanism of action. Weak inhibitor of the synthesis of prostaglandin, paracetamol also decreases prostaglandin concentration in vivo. If we are going to talk about its indication, it is used in mild to moderate pain, pyrexia, that is fever. Side effects common with rectal use: anorectal arrhythmia, rare thrombocytopenia, hypersensitivity reaction if you are hypersensitive to acetaminophen, hypertension, agranulocytosis, bronchospasm, hepatic function abnormal, because ultimately it is metabolite through the hepatic route or the hepatic side. Severe cutaneous adverse reactions, scars, overdose, liver damage and less frequently renal damage. Why? I described previously. Pregnancy, not known to be harmful. Breastfeeding, amount too small to be harmful. Now, after discussing the paracetamol, now it's turn to discuss the paracetamol and its different combination. Paracetamol and caffeine, its indication are headache, migraine, backache, rheumatoid and muscle pain, neuralgia, and its dosage must be 2 tablets up to 4 times daily. Another combination of the paracetamol is with pamabron. Now if you are going to discuss its indications, it is temporary relief, minor ache and the pain in the women due to the premenstrual and the menstrual cramps, headache, backache. Temporary relief, water weight gain. Why? Because it is diuretic. Bloating, swelling and fulfilling associated with premenstrual syndrome and menstrual cramps. No pain is another combination along with another acid, that is aspirin, caffeine. So what is the major indication of this brand No Pain? It is used in the indication of symptomatic relief of pain, fever associated with acute and chronic rheumatism, dysmenorrhea, neuralgia, tonsillitis, influenza, and different type of the pain. If we are discuss its dosage, so in the adult 1 to 2 tablets TDS or QID. In children it is not recommended. Another combination of paracetamol plus vitamins that are B1, B6 and B12, and as you see its major indications are neuralgia and neuritis of toxic and non-toxic origin. So that's all with this video and this drug along with its combination. Inshallah meet with new drug with a new video. Till that, take care. Allah Hafiz.